Hi there and welcome back to my channel. We are here unboxing Rode Wireless Pro, an incredible wireless microphone system that's about to make our lives as freelance videographers and creatives a whole lot easier. So let's dive in and see what's inside of this kit. This is the first time Rode's packaging opening up quite easy compared to all the other ones. It's always a headache. First up, there is a USB Type-C cable. The two most identical cases, but you can tell there is a little writing on top of one, and on the back you have a button with a USB Type-C connection. Inside the first hard shell case, there's usual paperwork, silica gel pack, cleaning cloth to keep everything smudge free, and a tool pack with colorful tags and help differentiate the microphones that you're going to be using with those transmitters. There are also windscreens for the lavalier mics, are two lav mics themselves and two clips, which those magnet clips I used to buy separately for about 20 bucks each. I'm pretty sure that's what it used to cost. Now it's all included. So these new clips have soft coating that won't damage your clothing, which is nice. The mics are interesting with a side address design and ability to screw and secure the microphone so nobody's going to be yanking it out, especially a lot of times the talent might pull it and the audio is lost. There's a unique fuzzy covering for the wind protection as well, not only for the unit itself but also for the lavalier mic. Included is another cable we might never need again, an old iPhone lightning cable to USB-C. Then we have 35mm male-to-male coil cable, which is great for an extended reach. The light on charging case is orange, so that indicates that it's under 30% battery left for that case. Now, if it's over 30, it's just blue. And if it's red, that means, okay, you better charge it. So there is a cool clip on the receiver, and the case lets you know where a transmitter receiver should be placed. Peeling off a protective film gives you a satisfying sound we all love, and the LCD screen allows you to change decibel levels so easy. The device boots up very quickly with the feature to select that you are recording to be in camera, headphones, etc. Each transmitter has 32 gigabytes of internal storage for about 44 hours of 32-bit float audio recording internally. That's just nuts. Okay, it's always essential and a good habit to have to delete old files from the memory of transmitters, because I don't believe it will re-record to the same memory. So the case has capacity to charge the kit twice, giving you 21 hours of power to charge the units. With USB Type-C, you can connect to a laptop or computer or whatever, manage everything through the Rode Central app, but we will do it in the next video. Now let's compare to the old wireless Go 2. This new setup includes lavalier mic and accessories offered. Great value, design is sleek with no sharp edges, and there's an added button for internal recording along with a thread connector for a 3.5mm jack. The Rode Wireless Pro also introduced a timecode sync, although it requires occasional resync with the cameras. I do believe it's 4 hours, they say, but it is really cool that they have that feature, and it is a next step to being a pro. So here you can see you can swap out the colorful tags. It's simple and you can differentiate what and which one is used for which talent. And as you can see, it's very strange. It is a little bit bulkier, the mic itself, compared to like this white one. You can see the side address design of this mic is something I'm actually curious to hear about from Rode. Why they did it? So I still have to do some research on that. Another cool thing is that 3.5mm male-to-male coiled cable, which gives you definitely a great reach compared to the old one. Now let's look at DJI mic system. It is smaller, but I feel like Rode is leading with that 32-bit float recording and timecode features. I wish that DJI mic system had all those features that Rode right now just introducing. Otherwise, I think Rode is just a little bit ahead, but I bet you DJI is preparing something really, really cool. So it is so cool to see that these giant companies are actually fighting and competing against one another, offering us amazing systems every single year now. So I cannot wait for this battle to take us to the next level as creators. In conclusion, the Rode Wireless Pro is a game changer with its 32-bit float recording, built-in time code, impressive range, and convenient charging case. I feel it's honestly a must-have in your toolkit. And if you'd like to check the pricing on these units, I will link them below. It is affiliate link. It will help me out. You're not paying anything more. And let's just support creatives, right? So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more exciting tech and camera related content. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe button, and all that good stuff for that future updates. Until next time, happy shooting guys. See ya.